Hello everyone, welcome back to Zaara ki Duniya. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share how to make butter paneer masala. This goes really well with the butter kulchas that we have here. If you want to know the recipe for butter kulcha, you can check on my channel. Also, I have given the link in the I button here. Do give it a big thumbs up if you like this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's begin with the video. To begin with this, I have taken 5 tomatoes and 3 bay leaves to make a tomato puree. Next, I'm going to take 4 tablespoons clarified butter or ghee. Followed by 1 cup of cashew nut powder. Mix ghee and cashew nut powder really well until the nutty smell is gone. Sort the cashew nut powder really well. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Sort the contents until the raw smell is gone. Next, I'm going to add the tomato puree that we had prepared earlier. Give the mixture a nice toss and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell of tomato and the cashew nut is gone. Next, I'm going to add salt as per taste. Followed by 2 tablespoons honey. Sort the mixture. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons red chili powder, this will again depend on the taste. Sort the contents really well. Let it cook for some time, and now it's time to add water. You will be adding water once you see that the tomato puree and all other contents have left the oil. Once you see that, you will be adding 1.5 glass of water and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once that is done, we are going to add cornstarch slurry that we prepared from 2 tablespoons cornstarch and 4 tablespoons water, and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Next, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons clarified butter or ghee in a pan. I'm going to take about 5 cardamoms, 2 slit green chilies, and some coriander fresh leaves. Give them a nice salt, and now let's add 1/4 tablespoon hot spice mix, which we call as garam masala. Give the mixture a nice salt, and now it's time to add the paneer cubes and toss them. Toss the paneer until about 2 to 3 minutes, and add the tossed paneer to the butter masala that we prepared earlier, and let it cook for about 3 minutes on low flame, and later on you can turn off the flame. For seasoning, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon crushed kasuri methi and some coriander fresh leaves. Give it a nice mix and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, like I said earlier, and we can turn off the flame. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it went with you. And here is our butter paneer masala ready to be served. Enjoy! Do give it a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and if you want the kulcha recipe you can have a check on my channel and also in the description box. Do leave your comments in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.